welcome back. Many thanks for staying with us. Security analyst Dr. Vladimir Enchidanso has hinted that the Supreme Court ruling on the long-standing dispute in northern town of Bimbilla is not a panacea for peace. Yesterday, May 23, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the Dasana family of Bimbilla, upholding their claim to the skin, saying rival Nakwana Dauni family case lacked merit. Speaking to JoyNews on the sidelines of a high-level dialogue in commemoration of International Day for United Nations Peacekeepers, Dr. Vladimir Enchidanso stressed the need for renewed security mechanisms amid the jubilations.
In adjudication, someone is wrong, someone is right. And whilst we are adjudicating, I've always asked for some arbitrative processes behind the scenes to go on so that things are withdrawn from the courts in that order. This ruling is not going to end the hostility, the antagonism between the factions. Whilst we should respect Supreme Court or any other court decisions, I would believe that the government and all interested parties should work underground to make sure that the court situation does not lead to more bad blood. I'm saying this on the hindsight of Dagbon, for example. The Supreme Court decision did not end the Dagbon crisis. It is simply because adjudications are based on facts and data, what is before them. Other nuances that may not have been documented, cultural practices, nuances, that sort of thing. This is what is exacerbating the Dagbon crisis. And because as soon as one dies, the palace should be vacated, the eldest son of the Yana should, perform the funeral, etc., etc. The Supreme Court ruling then may not have looked at all these. And therefore, even though the ruling was quite acceptable to bring out a certain level of peace, these nuances were overlooked. And that created a condition for one faction to always ask for the other faction to vacate the Yana Palace. And on and on and on, up till today, even though there was an adjudication process, we haven't seen an end to that one. From that angle, I would say that whilst I pray the two factions accept and find a way forward, we need to also help them from arbitrative processes that will bring about lasting peace. The government is taking preemptive measures, knowing very well that in adjudicative processes, such situations will happen. One faction is not going to accept. And we should help that faction to find a way out of accepting or finding a way out or living with it. Conflict is endemic in society. Conflict will come. But we need to use this process to transform the conflict into something else rather than perpetuating the conflict because I don't agree.